Cindy Happel led an active lifestyle before some unusual symptoms began to slow her down.
Exhaustion, shortness of breath, swollen legs. The most upsetting thing was just not being able to carry on a conversation with people because I was out of breath.
It was such a gradual decline, though, that Cindy kept explaining it away. Her primary care physician referred her to Mercy's Plum Heart Center for testing and answers.
She was diagnosed with critical aortic stenosis. The valve was very, very tight. Thankfully, she was a very good candidate for the TAVR procedure.
Mercy's heart team, including cardiothoracic surgeon Dr. C.C. Lee, recommended Cindy have transcatheter aortic valve replacement, or TAVR. It's a less invasive alternative to open heart surgery. Doctors place a new valve by making a small incision and threading it through a catheter. Cindy felt better almost immediately.
I feel great, and the quality of life is back to what I remember it used to be.
For more information on TAVR, visit the Mercy website.